Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Friday, 24th of April. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. We're still in a bit of a drought, Essex County, down through Middlesex County, Cape and the Islands. The updated monitor came out yesterday. We're behind generally by about 2.5 inches over the past 30 days or so. So you go back to the final week of March and you get to the final week of April in that time frame. So we definitely could use some rain across the area. By the way, we are sponsored by Valenti Farms in Needham for all your garden needs. So today we've got sunshine, temperatures in the 50s. It'll depend on exactly where you are as to whether you're in the low 50s or the upper 50s. We definitely have that persistent easterly, northeasterly flow that's been a part of our weather here for quite a while. So the high temperatures this afternoon, if I look at the map, eastern Essex County might be around 50, Plymouth maybe around 50, Cape and the Islands in the 40s, but you get out towards Norwood, it's going to be 60 degrees. That'll fall back a little bit during the afternoon and evening. Now, as we head for tomorrow, it's a mostly sunny day. It's a little bit cooler. I think those 40s are going to be the first, let's say, the eastern half of Essex County, and then the interior areas will get to the mid-50s, so it's a little bit cooler on Saturday. Now, as we head for Sunday, we're going to see more in the way of cloudiness. Temperatures on Sunday a little bit interesting. We'll see readings generally probably in the 50s and perhaps near 60 as we get well west of Boston. Now, in terms of rainfall, if you're headed down through Connecticut, there could be a little bit of rain this weekend, but for the most part, we're going to be dry around here. Monday, partly sunny. Again, with that same sort of temperature regime, warmest over inland areas. Boston at that point getting near or a little bit above 50 degrees, so it won't be quite as cool. I think Saturday's definitely the cooler day around here. And again, the pattern may change a little bit middle part of next week. Have a great weekend, everybody.